What's up everyone and welcome back to the mathematical mindset. So right here guys, we have this nice algebra problem and we are to find the value of x. So the first thing guys you want to note is that 6 can easily be expressed as 3 multiplied 2. So hence we have this to be x raised to the power of 3 multiplied 2 minus 7 raised to the power of x raised to the power of 3, and this is equals to what? 8. But if we have a raised to the power of mn, this can also be expressed as a raised to the power of m or raised to the power of n, right? So we have this to be x raised to the power of 3 or raised to the power of 2 minus 7x raised to the power of 3, and this is equals to 8. So at this point we want to say let y be equals to what? X raised to the power of 3, so that we can have the expression to be given as x raised to the power of 3 or raised to the power of 2 will be equals to what? Y square. Alright, so hence we can say the equation is going to become y square minus 7. Now we know that x is raised to the power of 3 and we said that y is equals to x raised to the power of 3, so 7y, and this is equals to what? 8. Alright, so at this point we want to simply rearrange and set this equation to 0. So we have y square minus 7y minus 8, and this is equals to what? 0. So let's simply factor out. So we are going to take the coefficient of y square and the constant and multiply them. We have minus 8y square. So you think of two numbers that when you multiply them you give us minus 8y square, and when you add or subtract then you have minus 7y, and the two number that comes to mind is minus 8y and what? 1y. This simply implies that minus 8y times 1y is equals to minus 8y square, and minus 8y plus 1y is equals to what? Minus 7 what? Y. So at this point we have this to be y square minus, now in place of 7y we are going to put minus 8y plus 1y minus 8, and this is equals to what? 0. So let's simply factor out the first two digits. If you factor this out we have y to be common. If you factor out y we have y minus 8 left. Then for this we have plus 1. We have 1 to be common and we have y minus 8 was to be left, and this is equals to what? 0. So this and this is common, so we have y minus 8. This is minus, okay? Multiply y plus 1, and this is equals to what? 0. So we have y minus 8 is equals to 0. Y plus 1 is also equals to what? 0. So y is equals to 0 plus 8, and y is equals to 8. For this part we have y is equals to 0 minus 1, and y is equals to what? Minus 1. So we have the two values for y right there. So we want to simply recall that we said let y be equals to x raised to the power of 3, right? So at this point we want to say recall that y is equals to x raised to the power of what? 3. So substituting, so we're going to say for y equals to 8, we have that x raised to the power of 3 is equals to what? 8. We have x raised to the power of 3 is equals to 8 can be expressed in terms of 2 as 2 raised to the power of 3. So the next thing we want to do is cubing what? Both sides. So we have the cube root of x raised to the power of 3 is equal to the cube root of 2 raised to the power of 3. So this we cancel out this, we have x is equals to this, we cancel out this, we have this to be what? 2. So we have that x is equals to 2. So substituting for y equals to minus 1, we have x raised to the power of 3 is equals to what? Minus 1. And we can easily raise this to the power of what? 3. Alright, so all we have to do is to cube both sides. So we have the cube root of x raised to the power of 3 is equal to the cube root of minus 1 raised to the power of 3. So this we cancel out this, we have that x is equals to this, we cancel out this, we have this to be minus 1. So therefore we have the value of x to be equals to 2 and negative what? 1. So let's simply verify to show if our answer is actually correct. So we're going to say to verify, we have the expression to be given as x raised to the power of 6 minus 7x raised to the power of 3, and this is equals to what? 8. So we're going to say for x equals to 2, we have 2 raised to the power of 6 minus 7 multiplied 2 raised to the power of 3, and this is equals to 8. 2 raised to the power of 6 is 64 minus 7 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8, and this is equals to what? 8. So we have 64 minus 7 multiplied 8 is 56, and this is equals to 8. 64 minus 56 is 8, and this is equals to 8. So we say left hand side is equal to the what? Right hand side. So let's simply verify for x equals to minus 1. We have minus 1 raised to the power of 6 minus 7 multiply minus 1 raised to the power of 3, and this is equals to 8. So we have Minus 1 raised to the power of 6 is 1. Minus 7 into minus 1 raised to the power of 3 is minus 1. And this is equals to 8. So we have 1. Minus 7 multiply minus 1 is plus 7. And this is equals to 8. So 1 plus 7 is 8, which is equals to what? 8. So we have the left hand side is equal to the what? Right hand side. So we have been able to verify this right here. So guys, this is how you can solve this nice algebra math problem right here.